Imagine never stressing over dry soil or wilted leaves again. Your garden stays happy even when you forget to water. Hey, I'm Jamie, and I used to be the queen of underwater tomatoes. That is, until I tried building a self-watering garden bed. So what's the secret? These beds have a hidden water reservoir under the soil. Think of it like a sippy cup for your plants. Water travels up through the soil and the roots drink exactly what they need. No more soggy roots, no more crispy leaves. Studies show self-watering beds save up to 50% more water. And honestly, my peppers have never looked happier. I just fill the reservoir through a simple tube every few days, even during those scorching New York summers. Here's what you'll need to build one: a raised bed frame, some landscape fabric, gravel, a reservoir, like a storage bin or pipes, and good soil. Lay down the fabric and gravel, add your reservoir, cover with soil, and boom, you're ready to plant. Now just check the soil every so often. It should stay moist but not soggy. My garden chores are way easier and the harvest bigger and better than ever. So if you want a garden that almost takes care of itself, give self-watering beds a try. Like, subscribe, and share your garden wins below. I can't wait to hear what you grow.